Hey kids, कैसे हैं आप? So today we are going to learn a sound word. So are you all ready? So the first family is an family. Ra Anna ran. Ra Anna ran. Next word is tan. Tan. Ta Anna tan. Just open your mouth and say tan. Next is pa Anna pan. Repeat after me. Pa and a pan. Well done. Next word is van. Van. Va and a van. Amazing. Your next word is ban. Ban. Repeat after me. Ban. Ban. Amazing. Now add family words. K at a cat. K at a cat. Amazing. Your next word is M at a mat. M at a mat. Amazing. M at a mat. Your next word is B at a bat. B at a bat. Very good. Your next word is rat. R at a rat. R at a rat. Well done. Your next word is fat. Fat. F at a fat. Very good. Your next family is a family. Just see the words. Ab cab. Ab cab. Great. Your next word is tab. Ab tab. Ab tab. Great job. Your next word is fab. Ab fab. Ab fab. Well done. Your next word is lab. Ab lab. Ab lab. See you in next video with new concept. Bye bye and do subscribe.